Okay, children. Now we are going to learn about recreational spots of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay, the word recreational means it is something new word which you have heard for the first time. Okay, this means it is some activity when we are very leisure. Sometimes we get bored in the home, right? We don't know what to do when we finish all our work. What do? We want something to enjoy ourselves. We want to spend time to refresh ourselves. So we what do? We watch TV, we start playing some games, or we go out, right? So recreational means activity done for enjoyment, places to visit, or spending time to refresh ourselves. So, in this case, we are going to learn what are the places we can visit in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. What does the recreational meaning? We something, yes, we need to enjoy ourselves, right? Yes. So recreational means we something the place which we need to visit, right? Which makes our mind fresh.
I can see screen.
Everybody understood the meaning of recreational?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the places. Now we are going to learn about the places to visit in Ladakh. Okay, children, please mute yourself. Please mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute yourself. Okay, so these are there are so many places, but the very worth places to visit in Ladakh are Pangong So Lake. Here in the first one, T is silent, so it is Pangong So Lake. Next one is Tikse Monastery. Third one is Hemis National Park. Okay, these are the very good places which we can visit, where we enjoy visiting these places: Pangsong Sioux Lake, Tikse Monastery, and Hemis National Park. Okay, now first one we will know what is Pangong Sioux Lake. See, children, this lake you have see. Tell you a detailed thing. See, you can see the Pangong Sioux Lake has a beautiful lake. The water is blue in color. Okay, you can see the picture of Pangong Sioux Lake.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the lake will be looking like this only. It
Yes,
is
ma'am. Very beautiful.
it very beautiful. It is surrounded with mountains and the clouds falling. This is the Pangong Sioux Lake. This is a spot which we can visit in Ladakh. One third of the Pangong Sioux Lake lies in India. This lake is very big, but very small portion of the lake is also in India. Okay, the rest part is in China. This lake is very big, children, but little part of this lake is in India, so we can go and visit. The remaining portion of this lake goes to China, and this lake is divided into so many lakes. The water in this lake is
We can
called
go in ship also, ma'am, to the lake
no,
to China.
no. You cannot swim in this water. Okay, because this water is salt water and it is not good to swim.
Because it is
No,
very down. Very
you
down.
children, I will tell you one secret about this. Have you all watched Three Idiots movie in Hindi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
No, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Next time, fine. Next time when you get Three Idiots movie in the TV, watch it.
Tell
The
ma'am.
last scene you will get about this lake only. The last scene of that movie.
Yes, ma'am. That scene only, no, ma'am. This
Is the
big lake.
Yes.
Ma'am, I could not hear you properly. Which movie was that movie, ma'am?
Only you can be able to hear. Disturbances you can hear it. So this Pangong Lake, if you mute only, you will learn. Kalash,
Ma'am.
mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
what is that movie name?
Three Idiots. In Hindi, there is a movie, Three Idiots. So that movie, it is very famous. It is a very popular movie. All of you would have seen that movie. The last scene of that movie was directed here. Okay, that was the lake. This is only the lake where the last scene of that movie was shooted here. This lake is known as,
Side of the lake only, no, ma'am.
yes, this lake name is Pangong Su Lake. What is the name of this lake?
Pangong Lake.
Yes, it is the famous lake in Ladakh. Clear? Can I go to the next spot where you can visit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One is Tikse Monastery. Okay. Tikse
Means monastery.
Okay, it is a huge palace. Palaces means like 3 or 4 buildings together. Okay, that becomes a very big palace. Okay, here only the people of Ladakh.
Raja. Ma'am, ये बाला movie
It is a place here. Yes, it is a beautiful monastery in Ladakh. It is located on the top of a hill in, say, 19 kilometers away from Leh. It is a famous place. People have to climb stairs to visit. Okay, so here this is a beautiful monastery where Lord Buddha is worshipped here. Okay, this monastery is located on the top of a hill in Tikse. This is also a beautiful place to visit. It is a huge palace, very big palace. You can see Buddha photo also here. Image of the Lord Buddha. Yes, it is there are so many steps where you have to climb and go. Okay, so this place is known as Tikse Monastery. What is the place name? What is the name of a place? Tikse Monastery.
Ma'am, your voice is stucking.
What was the place which we learned? What was the lake name? Can anyone tell me the lake name? What place? What? The next place is National Park. Now can you see a leopard image on your screen? Hemis National Park is also a very good place to visit, which is located in North Himalayas. In this place, it is kind of a park where will be full of greenery, snow, big trees. But here you will find snow leopards so much. Here leopards will be found. Do you remember Ekta Tiger movie?
No, ma'am.
There you can.
Yes. No.
You did not watch when the
Ma'am,
movie.
which movie, ma'am? Ma'am, which movie?
Ekta Tiger. Hindi movie. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Okay. Now
Himalaya National Park, tigers stay in the park. Tigers
For-
in the
located in North Himalayas, it has number of endangered mammals here. Endangered meaning means the animals which are very rarely found. Okay, so those animals will be found here. Mostly leopards, snow leopards only will be found in Hemis National Park. See, you can see the park will be like this. Park is generally, here we see there will be slides, swing, play area, garden like that. But in this park, there will be so many animals, lake passing through. All I have clubbed in one.
Ma'am, that temple like house is a park.
This place name is Hemis National Park. The first one of Ladakh was Pangong Su Lake. Second one was
Miss,
Monastery. One was Hemis National Park. Who is that shouting here?
क्या ये
Please
क्लास
mute.
का खत्म होगी गाइस 15.
Okay. Can you see this? Hemis National Park. This is a very famous park here. It is a national park, okay, which is located in the northern Himalayas. It has number of endangered animals. Okay, the animals which are found rarely alive. Okay, see, I have clubbed the picture of it. You in that park you can see the lake flowing. You can see the snow leopard, tiger, deer. This park is very big. It when you enter inside this park, you will find all in one itself. Okay.
अपन आज जाने वाले हैं.
Understood the spots of Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Any doubts here, children?
Ma'am, that white temple, like a white temple, it is the lake. Ma'am, the park.
What?
Ma'am, that is a white temple.
Yes.
Ma'am, they will leave us to go
Yes,
inside.
that is something like a scenery.
Ma'am,
Okay,
they
so
will
now
leave us to go inside.
recreation spots of Jammu and Kashmir.
Sensory.
We learned the places of Ladakh. They were Pangong Su Lake, Tikse Monastery, and Hemis National Park. Now we are going to learn about recreational spots of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, we have heard about Vaishnav Devi Temple, Srinagar, Pahalgam, all Gulmarg, Sonmarg. These are all the spots which we like to visit and where we can enjoy. Okay, so but the very attractive spots I have selected, and I will just make you learn about it. So these are all
Screen, ma'am.
I am displaying only this one. It might be there will be a network issue. Please check. One of Jammu and Kashmir is Vaishnav Devi Temple. It is very Vaishnav Devi Temple. You know, like it is very famous pilgrimage, holy pilgrimage where people worship goddesses, right? People all go there, pray for their family to fulfill their wishes. This goddesses is
Open the piano playing.
okay. So goddesses Mataji is residing inside the holy cave. Okay, when if we want to go this to if we have to go to this temple, we have to go inside the cave. You can see two children how they are going inside the cave. So this goddesses is on the mountain. Okay, all we will tell now Kula Devi, right? The same. This is also Vaishnav Devi is one of the holiest pilgrimage. People worship goddesses Mataji to fulfill their wishes and resides in a holy cave in peaked mountains. Okay, so this is one of the famous spot to visit in Jammu and Kashmir, Vaishnav Devi temple. Okay, can you see how the temple is in? It is on the mountains where people have to travel through the caves only. It will not have any stairs, or it will not have any luxury like going in elevator or lift like that. You have to walk through the mountains on the caves only. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. But what the two children are doing?
It is the way they are it is an example like how we have to walk in this caves. There will be small gaps in the mountains to just walk to pass through that cave
Ma'am,
to
ma'am, ma'am,
yes,
it is down or up? What is the name of this?
it is in the mountain. It is in the mountain.
What is the what is the name of this mountain?
It is in the mountains only. Generally, mountains is mountains only. It is not something like the name of the mountain has been. It is just in the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so first place to visit in Jammu and Kashmir is Vaishnav Devi Temple. The second one is Srinagar. Okay, this is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory. What is the capital and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir?
Srinagar.
Yes. Okay. Srinagar will look like this only. It has a beautiful scenery with high mountains, greenery around, and a lake between. Okay. Srinagar, something looks like this only. It has a very scenery with beautiful mountains, trees around it, and garden to visit. Then in Srinagar, you will find houseboats also. Okay, Srinagar is famous for its Mughal gardens, houseboats, Dal Lake, and mountains. See, this Srinagar is a place. Okay, you please mute yourself, children. I could find so much of disturbances. Pay attention rather than asking question. Listen to what I'm saying. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir, children. This is known for its Mughal gardens. It has a beautiful gardens. Okay. There is a lake. There is a lake called as Dal Lake. In that lake only you have a houseboats. You can see the picture of houseboats where they sail from one end to another end. It looks like a beautiful scenery. There is a snow falling in the mountains, water in between, and you are just sailing in the houseboat. Isn't it beautiful to be in that lake?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So Srinagar is generally famous. It is really a beautiful spot to visit to refresh ourselves. It's the best of Kashmir. This Pahalgam is a city of Kashmir. It has a beautiful place for adventure and trekking place.
Ma'am, where is Srinagar?
Kashmir only.
Ma'am, can
It
you
is the
go to
capital of
description secretary?
Pahalgam. It is in Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir are in a different. Jammu is different, Kashmir is different. So this Pahalgam is found in Kashmir. It is a beautiful place with the where you can do adventure, trekking, all those things. You can enjoy yourself. It is a very cold also there.